In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play with your friends on 8-Ball Pool. So first of all, all you need to do, if you don't have the 8-Ball Pool application or game on your phone, you'll need to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. So once you actually did that, just go and open your game. Of course, if you are interested on playing 8-Ball Pool on your PC, you will find a video on this channel on how to do that, which I already made. So make sure to go and check this channel out. And of course, as we said, if you already have it on your phone or if you just download it, just go and open it and you will find the three options on your screen. Those three options, the first option is to log in into your account if you have one. And the second option is if you want to actually create your account if you don't have one. And the third option is just to go and play as a guest. Of course, this tutorial will not work if you click play as a guest because you will not have any friends to play with. So make sure to log in into your account or to create one, then add some friends into it. So then when you did all of that, or choose one option, you'll find yourself here at this home or at this main page. And from here, you'll be able to start playing with your friends. Simply, you'll find yourself here, scroll to the left, and as you can see, you'll find an option play with friends. So if you click on it, as you can see, you'll find your friends right here, and you can scroll down into your friend, and if you want to play against someone, just go and click add challenge. Of course, you can even search for someone here on the search, and if you find it, just go and challenge him if you want. Of course, there is suggested friends and activity. If you find anyone there, you will be able to challenge them as well. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.